Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, August 26th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. Weekly chart going back several years. It was about 5-6 weeks ago. We closed below this 18-month channel bottom at 382.73 that set off a longer-term sell signal that should, over the next 3 to 5 months, and we're a full month into that, yield 228.24. We'd also mentioned that nearer term, one could anticipate a counter-trend rally once we test the low 290s, and that did occur about a week after the sell signal. We tested the 290s, and we've come off of it since. Bullish momentum on that move remains intact today above 348.16. So that 382.73 level that I show once again right here, that remains in play over the next week or two, holding above this rising channel support at 348.16. 348.16 can contain weekly selling pressures, and above which I'll say by the end of next week, 382.73 is likely. On the way up, we do have channel resistance at 370.54. If tested, can contain daily highs, and if settled above, 382.73 is likely tomorrow. On an intraday basis, 362.86 is the high settlement price that was put out on Friday of last week. It does offer day tradable resistance. You can sell 62.86, buy 48.16, vice versa. Pushing through 62.86 does allow 370.54 today, but the likelier outcome with presently reduced volatility is a settlement today above 62.86, indicating this rising 70.54 channel top the following day. And this is rising at such a pace that over the next few days it converges anyway with 382.73. This long-term resistance able to contain buying through the rest of the year. And from here we can fall back into the 290s within a month or two. And as I say, over the following 3 to 5 months, 228.24 in reach. For future reference, and certainly not today, but 382.73 is the beginning of a narrowing zone of long-term resistance up to 416.03. That all comes together in early October. This is a zone that can contain buying through the rest of the year, and once again below which 228.24 remains in play over the next half year or less. If I were to buy Tesla long-term and put it into a portfolio for 6 months or longer, it would either be a bottom picking 228.24 in the months ahead, or buying a settlement above 416.03, then anticipating the 550s essentially over the following 3 to 5 months. Let's take a look at the downside. Of course, we've got 348.16. If we happen to break 48.16 today, 340.10 is likely. That is a 3/8 downside Fibonacci over the last full month of activity. But once again, closing below 348.16, I do think we've got a good high for the month of August. By the end of next week, 328.78 in reach. That is a 5/8 downside Fibonacci over the last month or so. And ultimately, over the next 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 at the most, we fall back into the low 290s with a settlement today below 348.16, where we can bottom out on a monthly basis and come off of it again. But ultimately, closing below 291.81 is expected, so long as we hold below 382.73. And if that does occur over the next month or two, the 228.24 3 to 5 month target likely within just a month or two. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We put out a stock pick Tuesday. Wickedstocks.com did on D-Local. You might want to check that out. We also have daily SPY, Q, and NVIDIA analysis for you to check out on a free trial basis. 2 weeks you get. So check us out at wickedstocks.com. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.